Hi parents, Mrs. Hernandez again. Now that you know how to access your child's account in Google Classroom, we're going to actually do some work. I'm going to open my account through Safari or through the app. I'm going to click on that icon, the waffle icon, and I'm going to go to my Google Classroom. Once I do that, my classes appear. Since these are the teacher accounts, I'm going to log in as a student in another class. Once I log into my classroom, I will see a home page that looks like this. This is my stream. I have stream at the bottom, classwork, and people in this class. When there's any work posted, the work will be highlighted in blue. I will click on that assignment that's blue. The link for the daily Zoom meeting has also been accessed. I can go directly to Google Classroom, click on the link from here, and sign in automatically. However, at this time, I am not going to log into a Zoom class. I actually want to do some work. So I'm going to choose an assignment, and it says New Assignment. Once I am here, I see an attachment, and it has a date. Because this was an old file that I'm working on, it is dated May 26, but it is an assignment that has not been done. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to click, and it's going to open for me. Now I can see the work that I have to complete. In order to do any work, I have to touch that little pencil on top. That is my editing. Once I open that editing button, I see a menu in the bottom. This first square helps me to zoom in. If I touch that and I select the part, click and drag, the next one is an eraser. The next one, this pen is a pen for writing. And you can also, by touching it again, you can change the color. Because it's student work, I'm going to choose black. And I don't want the size of it to be too big, so I'm going to choose the third option. Now I can write anywhere on my page with my finger. But if I think that it is still too hard, I will just choose my eraser, change the size again, and try again. I will read the instructions, say the name of each picture, and write the letter. This is a leaf, but I made an M. Mistake again. Find your eraser, touch it, and just hover over it to erase. My next one is a highlighter. Pen, a marker, and a highlighter. If I want to highlight something, I simply click on the highlighter. If I want to change the color, I touch it again, and I can see all the colors that are available to me. If I click on that little up arrow, I get even more colors. So I'm going to choose just yellow, simple. To get out of that menu, I just tap any part of the screen that is not in that little box, and I could just highlight. By choosing the colors of the pen and markers, your child can also color the pictures that are in the assignment. I also have access to the eraser from this menu. I'm going to touch it, erase it. The last option with the letter A is the typing box. When I touch that A, that allows me to type. I will now tap with my finger next to the leaf, and a window pops up. By dragging the corners of that text box, I can move it where I want. And I will just type the letter L for leave, hide. Now, those letters are too small. I cannot see that well. This is where the zoom works. I will go to my zoom box down here, touch it. I will now drag over the letter that I want to make bigger. With 2 fingers, I am going to stretch the corners, make that L bigger, and then drag. I can make it bigger or smaller to change the size. If you are not comfortable typing just yet, just go ahead and delete that box and just use the pencil function in the bottom. I can use 2 fingers to pinch, to zoom in, 2 fingers on the screen to zoom out, and then I can write L for leave, 2 fingers to move my screen, B for bus. Again, I will pinch with my index and my thumb to zoom in and out. If that's still too small, I would just change the size. Umbrella, vest. Once I finish my work, I have to save. My work is not done, but I still can save it. I will finish it quickly. For plain, save it. Now I have a message that it's editing. I have to wait until that loads. Now it says that my document is saved. I'm going to click on that little X. And in the bottom now it says your work. I will touch your work. And now I have to make sure I turn it in. I can see the work that I did is saved here. And I will turn it in here. Once I turn it in, I get a window that says, "Are you sure? Turn it in?" Yes, turn it in. Now it says assignment turned in. If your child does that by accident, you have the chance to unsubmit. That if you turn it in by mistake, just click unsubmit. If you are done, you click on that little arrow up there again. You go back, and you will be back at the home page. I hope this helps you out for tomorrow.